Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add or do tags on Etsy. So let's get right into it. Now, tags on Etsy are pretty much the same tool as is used on SEO for web pages and anything of the sort, and it is very useful for your products or listings to gain more traction and to gain more traffic. Now, once you set up your listing or anything, you will have the opportunity to enter in up to 13 tags, if I'm not mistaken. My recommendation is that you use all 13 tags since they are vital for positioning your products or your listings on search engines, both on the Etsy search engine or on search engines such as Google, and they are very important. But I do recommend you try and use them as best as you can. For example, tags are a maximum of 20 characters long. I do recommend you add those characters fully. Or use as much as you can for multi-word phrases. For example, printed t-shirt or custom t-shirt or anything of the sort, handmade t-shirt, pretty much whatever fits best. You should do it, and you shouldn't repeat your tags. You should use every tag uniquely so that it better positions your listings and your shop as a whole. And that is pretty much it. Of course, while you're creating your listing, you will have the option to enter those tags, and that is pretty much what you should do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.